So how can you better yourself as a person? Well, in this video, I'm going over a few things to know to change your life for the better, coming up. Hey, if we haven't met before, my name is Johann, and on this channel you'll find helpful discussional topics to improve your self-care, as well as tips and strategy videos just like this one. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell. Also, at any point in the video, make sure you check out the links and the show notes in the video description about today's topic. Okay, let's get started. Fear is the number one source of regret. There was a few times where I myself had fear of being judged. Fear of being judged in front of my family or friends. Fear of not accomplishing what I really want to do. Fear of changing something and just getting negative feedback. It's not until one of my mentors, Dimmable, said, "It's scary to know that people can die with regrets knowing what they want to do but they haven't done it at all. You're alive right now. Fear stops growth. Become fearless." The second thing you can do to better yourself as a person, you don't have to wait for someone to apologize to forgive them. When people are talking shit behind your back or making false representation of you inside people's mind, or even try to get you fired at your job, it's a very difficult skill to learn, but try to understand that holding a grudge is whack. Like, it's whack. Don't do it. Don't do it. Life is more smoother knowing that you forgave them without them having to say sorry. You don't have to wait for them. They might not say sorry at all. But with that being said, keep in mind, it's one thing to forgive and forget, but I'd rather not forget. I would rather forgive and know how to act accordingly in the future, if that makes sense. Basically, I'm saying, yeah, I'll forgive you, but I'm not gonna allow you to do that same shit to me again. Facts. This leads to tip number 3. Change is inevitable, so embrace it. Life and time doesn't wait for no one at all, period. And life is about becoming a better person, learning, growing, leveling up, a better version of yourself, if you will. Change could be good. Change can also be life learning lessons. And I say life learning lessons compared to, oh, life can be bad sometimes, because that's what optimistic people do, right? And what do I mean by being optimistic? Well, I'm glad you asked. I made a video about being optimistic and how you too can be optimistic. So definitely check out that video. I'm gonna link it in the description. Yeah. Going on to tip number 4. Great success means being preceded by failure. If you're trying to be successful, just know that you're gonna be on a lot of fuck ups along the way. You're gonna be failing a shitload of times. Shit, I am right now. It's super rare to have something or someone go from 0 to 100 in one attempt. It's very rare, but it's out there. But just for like you and me and everyone else, we gotta grind in order to get that success. Even if it means we gotta fuck up and have a lot of shit ups along the way, then so be it. But just know that once you continue and you get up, you dust that off, and you keep going, that's all that matters. Because at the end of the day, you will reach your destination. It's all about your mind frame. It's about your mindset. Don't be scared to plan and test out different things. And this is kind of going back to what one of my mentors, Dimmable, said. She says, in order for anyone to reach success, you gotta test some things out. See what works, see what doesn't. But don't be afraid to take that step into a different territory that will make you feel very uncomfortable. Every success plan you see on YouTube or online, they don't work for everyone. In order for you to discover what's worked for you, you gotta put in some type of experimentation for yourself. And that's as real as it gets. But nevertheless, I mean, once you're able to reach that goal, I'm pretty damn sure it's gonna be feeling amazing. And that leads me to the next topic, living in the moment. Living in the moment. Yes, sometimes we get so caught up in grinding, we hustling, we try to get that money, we try to do a lot of things. But at the end of the day, we're not stopping and actually appreciating the moment or the journey. Yeah, it's cool that you could reach something and you accomplish something in life. Yeah, that's amazing. But what about the process? What about the journey? How you got to that part. I feel like that makes the end goal so much sweeter. Accept your past and like the uncertainty of the future. Like look around you. Embrace yourself in the moment. You're alive. You're here. You're here right now. Watching this video. After this video, or rather after the being optimistic video, take a moment and just sit. Don't put down your phone, turn off the computer, and just sit at least for 5 minutes. For 5 minutes, and just exist. Just exist. Feel the blood pumping through your veins. Breathe in the air that's around you. Listen to the birds chirping outside. Exist. It's pretty damn good. Appreciate the process. I know it's hard. It can be friggin' difficult, I know. Trust me, you'll feel amazing when you accomplish that goal. But promise me one thing, during the process, no matter if it's difficult, easy, discouraging, it just causes you anger, whatever it is, throughout that whole process, make sure at some point in time, or often as much, you do it with a smile. Super weird. It's super weird. What? I feel like it's getting closer. Point of the video, make sure you check out the links in the show notes in the video description. I just blanked, bro. I forgive you, but best believe I won't.